I was just given this Anker MagSafe power brick for free for review. The opinions in here are my own, and I already love it. I already have an Anker power brick that I have used for so many years, and this is an extreme upgrade from that old one that I have. Biggest difference is that it is actually MagSafe, so all of my devices that are MagSafe can just stick on the front. But if you don't have a MagSafe device, you can still plug it in with this USB-C port on the side. The other thing that's really cool about this to me is that it is tiny. It's super, super sleek, smaller than any other power brick that I've used, and I love how it feels. It has kind of this soft, rubbery feel to it. It's very inviting. I am definitely putting this in my purse so I always have a charge. And one of the reasons why it is so small and sleek is that it doesn't waste any space with any type of screen to show you its battery. Instead, you simply press the button and it will show you right here in these dots how much battery life it has. It's currently at about 50%. And one more great thing is you can use this as a phone stand as well. You simply pop open the back and then you can set it up so it's sitting very upright, or you can actually lean it back more. And then since it's a magnet on the front, you can put your phone on it in portrait mode or landscape mode, so however you want to view it while it's charging. I am in love. I cannot believe I was gifted this product because I will be using this from here on out. Definitely recommend it.